Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to address an error you may be getting with your Black & Decker portable washing machine. So the error that I'm talking about is error E1. And if you're getting a fault code or error E1, this means that this will pop up after 30 minutes of the washing machine trying to fill with water, but not being able to reach the level that it's trying to get to. In order to fix this problem, you're going to need to check for why water is not getting in. And the number one reason that water would not be getting in would be because there is a leak somewhere. So you need to check and make sure water is not leaking out anywhere while it's trying to fill. And that would explain why it's not filling up properly, because it has a leak. So if you can fix that leak, you can get rid of error E1. And if you can't figure anything out, you can't find anything, you might need to call a technician. But anyways, I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.